Hello friend, welcome to Biggest God of the World YouTube channel. Please subscribe your channel. The rajonpuri god is also select this beetle breed god or nupra god. The region of this extension is Punjab of India and Pakistan still there. Resemble to Jamnapuri god. Rajonpuri god is famous for making goat milk and commercial milk. Their skin is good quality and used in leather. Rajonpuri gods are more adaptable to climate change and environment. In addition, their god is a sustainable farming, which originated especially nearby Gujriwala, Chawala, Okka, and domestic routine of the beetle god breed. In India, the origin region of Guripur administration in Faisalabad district. Rajonpuri god mainly body color for white. The ears of Rajonpuri god are long. Rajonpuri god has long and short horns, while a god and short horns. There has a long legs, short and long tail. In terms of average body size, this male god 90 cm and 76 cm. Average female god 81 cm, 71 cm. Respectively, adult Rajonpuri god weight for male 55 kg up to 70 kg. Female god 35 kg up to 45 kg. Their milk production per day 1.8 to 2.7 kg. Rajonpuri god is skin striped while a god receives every food. They are sweet, bread and style. They have a habit to spanning food because they are a routine at this feeding place. So they need especially place feed which they provide the food from spawning. A wheeled village that they use for product meat. Rajonpuri likes to eat and will food the wheat and alfalfa, grass, pepper, banana, grass, corn and other, and this fruit of their energy and milk production. Also do not like this its labels a mango, neem, berry and pepper tree. Rajonpuri god also only eat this place the likely carrot, potato, vegetable and grass. A whale god matured 11 to 15 months of ago. A female god gave the birth of her first time child 20 and 22 months of ago. The female god product at the pure pregnant god must be well ahead of the successful in this breeding process. For best result, god give this crossbreed. An original god is the recommended. For the healthy development of pregnant god, it's available day the baby 6 in 8 weeks before delivery and take to the room premix with a stir of follow after day before a baby. For the care of newborn, their nose, hair and face should be cool with this healthier cotton and this member of candle should be removed. The god under and body should be clean with the hydrant and 30 minutes after birth. This baby should be given this first time colostrum. After delivery, the back of Rajonpuri god should be gelled with the under thumb with water. Rajonpuri god should be keep wasting the water. This then while the should be feed, which is useful to give energy.